Oh, they've stuck it so well. They've stuck it so well. You're going to really battle to open this one. Jeepers creepers. Shall Granny give it a start?
Yes, give it
There
a
you are.
start.
Look. There, open that. Pull the paper off. Oh, that's always the...
Oh, that's cute.
Open it. Come on, let's see what's in here. Oh, bless
Take the
you.
paper off.
Okay, come on.
Unwrap it.
Look there. A baby touch hello book. Super. Look, a new book for Alex. Isn't that so nice? And another one too. These are lovely little books, aren't they? Look at that. Beautiful. And look at this one. What's this one? Okay. So super. Here's another. Ooh, look at
Excitement.
there. There's your present. Oh, sweet. Look at, oh, sweet little piggy. Oh, Elisa, this is a great book. Look here. Cow. Oh, feel there. Feel there. Touch it. Soft. Touch it. Oh, soft. Jeez. Pretty. And this one? Looky. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Oh, soft. Ooh, nice. And the chicken? No. Oh, there. Touch it. Oh, soft. Sweet. And the last page? Oh, look. Lovely, lucky boy. Lucky boy. Presents. So exciting. So exciting. What a nice book. I like it too. There we go. All right. What other presents have you got?